is used to express preference, uncertainty, to describe past habits, and to talk about imaginary situations. Would you like a paper bag or a plastic one? I would prefer a paper bag. Would you be willing to relocate for this job? Yes, I would consider relocating if needed. Would this fit me? Yes, it would. Would you call him now? I would. But he is probably busy right now. Would you join me for a walk? I would. But it's raining outside. Would you visit me this weekend? I would, if I get some free time. Would you accept this offer? I would, if the terms are fair. Would you apologize to her? I would, because I know I was wrong. Would this work for you? Yes, it would. Would you mind waiting here? No, I wouldn't. Could. It is used to show ability in the past, possibility, polite request, advice, or expressing frustration. Could you turn off the lights before leaving? Sure, I will do it now. Could you suggest a good pair of headphones? Sure, these have great sound quality. Could you suggest a good board games for kids? Yes, why not? This one is fun and educational. Could you print this document? Yes. Just email it to this address. Could you send me that playlist you mentioned? Sure. I will share the link right now. Could you speak a little louder? I can't hear you. Okay. Is this better now? Could you tell me how to get to the nearest ATM? Sure. Go straight and then turn right. Could you help me adjust this treadmill? Of course. Let me show you. Could you fix my phone screen today? Yes, but it may take a few hours. Could you lend me a phone charger? Of course, why not? Have is a modal verb used to show or express necessity, possession, obligation, experiences, giving instructions, or talking about illness. Have you bought the eggs? Yes, I have. They are in the cart. Have you tried this game before? No, I haven't. Have you seen my book anywhere? Yes, I have. It's on the bed. Have you ironed your clothes? No, I haven't. I will do it later. Have you checked the mailbox today? Yes, I have. There is a letter for you. Have you tried restarting the computer? Yes, I have. It's working now. Have you collected the parcel? Yes, I have. It's on your desk. Have you called customer support? Yes, I have. They will call back soon. Have you tried turning the Wi Fi off and on? Yes, I have. But it's still not working. Have you followed the diet plan? No, I haven't. I need to start soon. Can. It shows ability, permission, or possibility. Can you hear me? Yes, I can hear you. Can you water the plants today? Yes, I will take care of it. Can I get a window seat? Sure, let me check. Can it rain today? Yes, the sky looks cloudy. Can she ride a bike? No, she is still learning. Can I use your phone for a minute? Sorry, my battery is low. Can you suggest a YouTube channel for English practice? Yes. Check out English Tales. Can I improve my English by watching videos on YouTube channel English Tales? Yes. This channel helps you improve your English with simple conversations based on real life situations. Can you describe your strengths? Yes, I'm hardworking and a quick learner. Can I get a tempered glass for my phone? Yes, we have many options.